The next note of the upper hand fingering is E. Put the middle finger on the next hole. Blow with medium pressure and sound the note E. The last note in this series is D. For this note, use the ring finger of the upper hand. Make sure your fingers are straight and relaxed, and sound the note D. Play the sequence D, E, F. Play another sequence, F, E, D. Now learn to play a high G grace note to separate notes of the same pitch. Begin by putting your fingers in the F position. To play the grace note, blow into the chanter sounding the F. Make a quick up and down movement with the index finger of the upper hand. Try the same grace note on E. Now try your first tune. Play phrase 1. Phrase 2. To play phrase 3, you need to learn how to play a G grace note at the very beginning of the phrase. Place your fingers in the F position. Now raise the G grace note finger. As you blow into the chanter, lower the finger like this. Here's phrase 3. Phrase 4.
In this lesson, you will learn how to place your lower hand on the practice chanter, and you'll learn the notes C, B, and low A. Now we can play the same tune with new notes.
With the upper hand in the D position, place the thumb of the lower hand between the third and fourth holes of the chanter. The little finger now covers the bottom hole with the end pad, and the index finger covers the fourth hole with the second pad. Sound the note C. To play B, lower the middle finger of the lower hand and raise the little finger. Here's the note B. By lowering the ring finger of the lower hand, you produce the note low A. Play the sequence using low A, B, and C. Play the sequence using C, B, and low A. The next skill is to practice separating C's with high G grace notes. The pattern sounds like this. Now separate B's with high G grace notes. The pattern sounds like this. Play a C with a high G grace note. To do this, put your fingers in the C position, raise the G grace note finger, and as you blow into the chanter, lower the G grace note finger. Make sure your fingers are straight and relaxed. This is the correct finger position. This is poor finger positioning. This is also poor finger positioning. This is poor finger positioning. When you move the fingers of the upper hand, let the little finger travel wherever it likes. Now play Merrily We Roll Along, the lower hand version. Phrase 1. Phrase 2. Phrase 3. Phrase 4. This is how the tune sounds when all the phrases are played together.
We're now going to learn the notes D, E, and F using both hands. We're also going to learn how to cross from E to D. This uses a lot of fingers. And we'll use these skills in a new tune.
Starting with the F position, cover the second, third, and fourth holes from the bottom of the chanter with the ring finger, middle finger, and index finger. Now you're in the proper position to play F. Next, add the middle finger of the top hand to create the proper positioning for E. Here's how it sounds. D is the most dramatic change because it changes from E to D. Watch this new combination closely. Beginning with the E position, lower the ring finger of the upper hand and the little finger of the lower hand as you raise the remaining three fingers of the lower hand. Watch the movement once again. E position. D position. It sounds like this. Be careful not to get a crossing noise. Here is the proper change. Now try from D to E. This time reverse the process, which sounds like this. Practice the changes from E to D and back to E again. Here are the phrases for Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Phrase 1. Phrase 2. Phrase 3. Phrase 4. Repeat phrase 1 and phrase 2. This is how the tune